Welcome back to another video. We have slime. Look at it. It is fun scent, and it's Nickelodeon slime, and it's ooey gooey slime, and it's supposed to be mint chocolate chip ice cream. And see right there. Yeah. We're gonna play with it. And here it is. Or at least attempt. It pops and makes noises. Let's make a poop. Look. I mean, I do have a dog, and it pooped on the ground. You might not see my face that much in this video, but it's fine. Damn it, bubbles. Okay. Attempt number 3. Nope. I need to go up close so you can hear the bubbles, but otherwise, stay back here. And if you want to see my face, I made a small bubble, but then it disappeared. Listen to this. That was the God. The God. Clean you up. Yeah, if you want to buy it, this is what it looks like. And this, just the container looks like. This is what the container looks like. I love this slime. See that bubble right there? I made a bubble. I popped it. Great. Now I pop it even more. If you leave your hands in it too long, this is what happens. Or fingers. I'm just gonna do fingers because I don't feel like getting it. It sticks, but if you just play with it and around and stuff, it doesn't stick to you. Oh, and I forgot, there's little beads in it for the chocolate chips. I think it's very creative, because look, like that, the chocolate chips. And then the green part is, and the greenish part is ice cream. Then the beads are chocolate chips. Good luck. make bubbles. That's a sad part. Well, I can because I did earlier, but it's just really hard. My friend says to make bubbles this way. But then, because I used to do it the other way, I used to do it this way. But then she told me to do it the other way, because apparently it works better. But I don't think so. Did you see that? I just made bubbles. This is kind of an ASMR too. So, yeah, I really like this one. That would have been a huge bubble. And huge pops too. Oh no.